Our story is about a hero, a science hero named Galileo Galilei. He was brave and questioned old ideas, showing everyone a new way to understand the universe. Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy, a long time ago in 1564. Even as a kid, he was super curious and loved figuring out how things worked. At first, he wanted to be a doctor, but he quickly realized his true passion was math and physics. These subjects would become his life's work. Galileo's desire to learn was like a fire that never went out. Little did he know, he was about to start an amazing adventure that would change how we see space forever. Galileo's experiments challenging old ideas. Galileo always questioned things. He didn't just believe something because everyone else did, he wanted proof. So he did a lot of important experiments. One time he dropped things from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Can you believe that? He showed that heavy things and light things fall at the same speed. This surprised a lot of people because they used to believe something different. His experiments changed how we think about movement. Galileo's work was like setting the stage for all the amazing science discoveries that came after him. Looking up the telescope and new discoveries. In 1609, Galileo heard about a cool new invention called the telescope. He was really excited about it because he knew it could help us learn about the night sky. Galileo decided to build his own telescope. It was even better than all the others at that time. When he pointed it at the stars, he was amazed by what he saw. He saw craters on the moon, just like the ones we see in pictures. He discovered 4 moons going around Jupiter, and guess what else? He saw that the Milky Way, that bright band of light in the sky, was actually made up of millions of stars. His discoveries made people think differently about space. Section 4. The Sun in the Center, a controversial idea. A scientist named Nicolaus Copernicus had an idea that the Earth goes around the Sun. Back then, this idea was shocking because people believed the Earth was at the center of everything. Galileo's observations supported Copernicus's idea. He knew in his heart that the Earth was not the center of the universe, so he decided to share his discoveries with the world. But not everyone was happy to hear it. Some people disagreed with him, and he was even put on trial. Even though he was punished for his beliefs, Galileo never stopped believing in the power of truth. Section 5. Galileo's Legacy, a Universe of Possibilities. Galileo Galilei died in 1642, but his work is still so important to science today. He's called the father of modern astronomy and physics. He taught us to always ask questions, to observe the world carefully, and to follow the evidence wherever it leads us. Galileo's bravery inspired many other scientists. His work was like opening a door to a universe of new discoveries. He helped us see the universe and our place in it in a whole new way. Galileo's story reminds us that being curious and wanting to learn can change the world. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember Galileo and his incredible legacy.